Hello YouTube. Working on another car today. Mini Cooper 2010 1.6 liter. So this one actually had a misfire, cylinder number 1. Did the basic stuff, swap the coils, swap the both spark plugs. Nothing really changed. I saw some people that were saying it could be the temperature sensor in there somewhere, right there. But what I did was actually I removed the fuel rail, which is this one. It's only held by 2 bolts. Look at it. Let's see if I can show you this from the back. Okay. I believe it's 32, Torx 32. Let's see, where is it? Right there. See that right there? That's one. And the other one is right there. This guy right here. All you have to do, take those out. Obviously, you have to release the pressure. This is the valve. You just stick your screwdriver or pocket screwdriver in there, remove this cap, and then release the fuel. Make sure you take the ignition key out while you do this job. And then you just remove this whole rail. You disconnect this, you push this in all the way while you're pushing out on this piece right here, fuel rail hose. And then you just remove the whole thing. What you do is you just swap the injectors. And that's what I did, and that I found out that that was the problem. By the way, it was really intermittent problem, every 100 miles or so. So here's that injector. I just replaced it. That's what it looks like. Okay, so what you do is you just swap it with another one, and then sure enough, it moved. The code moved from 1 to 4. So that's because I took it from 1, I put it in 4 cylinder, and then yeah, so that's what I did, and I was able to change it now, and all is good.